Black Friday and Cyber Monday are not just for the shoppers. This is for the creators. Today, I'm going to show you how to plan, post, and profit like a pro on this weekend. Hey creators, welcome back to the Creators Corner. I'm Bree-Ze, the creator, and this is episode 16, okay? Today we're going to be learning about Black Friday and Cyber Monday, learning the strategies for creators. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the time of the year where everybody is scrolling, spending, shopping, and this is our time to shine. So Black Friday and Cyber Monday are not just big for the brands and companies, but they are also really huge payoffs for us as creators who know how to position ourselves. So in today's video, I'm going to break down how to create, how to promote, and how to monetize your content around the biggest shopping weekend of the entire year. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, why is this weekend so freaking powerful? Let's get into it. Number one is that brands are spending massive, I'm talking big budgets, okay? They're spending massive amounts of money to market and promote their holiday season. Number two is because people are already buying stuff because, yes, it's the holiday season. It's that time of year. And you have to know that the algorithm absolutely loves repetitive annual things in evergreen. So Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday, gifting, those are words that trigger the algorithm because it's always going to come up every single year. And it's predictable. So that means around this time of year, you need to make sure that every single post, every video, and every piece of content that you have can in some way, form, or shape translate into what is already going on in the algorithm. Use those keywords, create content around those things, and ride the wave. Doing that is going to give you higher reach and way more earning potential. All right, now let's get into section 2, which is all about how we're going to plan our content calendar around this season. One, you want to start early. Don't play no games. Don't waste no time. If you're watching this video, you're already late. Start right now, okay? Your audience should already basically be warmed up before the sale season starts. So what you doing? You got your pen and paper? Are you planning content while you watching this video? Because you need to be. Yeah, you. Go get your pen and paper. Thank you. All right, so here's the plan. One, you want to target pre-sale posts. So 1 week out from the holidays, particularly we're talking about Black Friday, Cyber Monday, y'all follow me, okay? 1 week out, you want to tease what's to come. So if we know that, let me see, what's the brand we're going to drop? If we know that Savage, or no, let's do Fenty Beauty, okay? If we know Fenty Beauty is going to release a holiday line with some reds or some nudes or some Christmas deep tones or something like that, and we know that this is a repeated pattern, they do it every single year, you need to already be up on it. Talk about prediction videos, like what do we think this brand or this company is going to drop for this holiday season? Or, you know, if we're talking about Bath and Body Works, what scents do we feel is coming this year? Let's guess some names of some scents for Bath and Body Works. What should they have? Blah, blah, blah. What should the tones be? Okay, you following me? Yeah. Don't use that idea because I'm finna use that idea. So if you do use the idea, go on my page because I'm finna make that a thing now. That was great. They just top of the dome. Go on my page. Find that video where I'm talking about what scents should be created for the holidays. And then come back and, you know what I'm saying? Credit your girl is all I'm saying, but that was a great idea. So yes, things like that, tease them on what's to come. When we're talking about fashion, right? For instance, you could use Fashion Nova as the brand that you're talking about. You know, we want trench coats, we want sporty, we want this, we want that. Tease them. What do you think is going to come out? We could be talking about Coach or Uggs, you know what I'm saying? Like what type of style or design we think they're going to release this year. You know, tease the people, give it to them. Then during that weekend, okay, you need to have product highlights, okay? Do reviews, holiday prep content. So how do I get ready to batch film for the holidays? I'm going to also make that a video because I have a plan. I'm literally going to look up online what these brands and what these companies have for the holidays. I'm going to go into the stores, look at their particular products, sample, touch, smell, you know what I'm saying? And let y'all know what I think they should be releasing for the holidays. Do you get me? And during that weekend, when I go in store to the releases, say it's a beauty product, because that's just the easiest thing to sample when I use that word. Beauty products, you can go on Ulta or Sephora, sample, oh, Fenty, this is the new red, blah, 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 predicted this, or I didn't predict this, and this is what it gives, and da, 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 and why you should get it, and use my affiliate link. Yeah. That's how you do that. That's all I'm saying. But yes, product highlights, reviews, and holiday prep content. Next is post-sale content. Again, y'all already know, if y'all ever see me looking down and looking off, it's because I have notes. I have to stay on task because the ADHD be the brain. Yeah, she be ADHDing. So anyway, yes, post sale content. So you're going to recap whatever it is that you bought, whether it's for yourself or not. If it's not for you, make sure you tell your family members, don't watch this video, because then y'all going to know what I got y'all. Mind y'all business. Just don't watch this one. Don't watch this one. This is the one where y'all are clear not to watch, because my family know to watch everything every time their notification bell go off, because theirs is on, baby. And I appreciate my peoples. Love y'all down. But yeah, you tell them not to watch if you have things for other people, but you need this as content. So post what you bought, who you bought it for, who this is a good gift idea for, okay? Do some hauls, things of that nature, right? And keep your engagement going. So if you're an affiliate of programs like Amazon, Like to Know It, LTK, Ulta, like if you're an affiliate of any company or brand, especially if it's something like tangible in store, you can go and sample. Or if you are a brand ambassador with them or do collabs and they send you products, then do that. And make sure you put your link so you can earn an extra commission. I'm just trying to tell y'all how to get to the bag. That's it. That's all. Section 3, content ideas for Black Friday. Do you have your notepad? Do you have your freaking notepad out? You got your pen. Make sure it ain't out of ink. All right, let's run it. Now, here are some ideas, y'all, that you could adapt. I wrote these down, so I'm going to read them verbatim, okay? That you can adapt to any niche. 1, gift guide. So my top 5 creator must-haves under $50, under $100, because everybody wants to be a content creator nowadays. And I'm not saying that in a bad way. We love that. Yes, we're trying to be our own boss and get it how we live. So with that being said, make sure you do a creator gift guide. Ring lights, cameras, like what's the best must-haves. Next will be unboxing and review videos. Okay, show off whatever it is. What is your brand collabs, your PR if you're a content creator, what unboxing your brand collabs for the holiday season, like whatever it is. And this goes across any niche. You could be a pet creator or own a dog. Here are our unboxings. This is what I got my puppy. Like, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you try to keep everything holiday themed. Even if the video ain't holiday themed, your space should look holiday themed. Like mine ain't right now, because you know what I'm saying. But, you know, turn your space into fall festive so it fits the aesthetic. That way, even visually, they can attract it to that time of year and season. So for me, I'll go get some little Christmas pillows or some covers to turn this red and gold and green. So that way, when I'm filming, I'm giving off the aesthetic of that time of year. Are y'all following me? Okay, cool. Next, tutorials, how to edit, how to plan, how to shoot, content using discounted products. You can do this completely across the board. So then you want to do your resource roundup. So share your favorite tools, your platforms, if anything is on sale. And I'm talking to you as if you're a content creator. These are good things to put out for other content creators, but you can do this around any product, anything. It does not have to just be content. Does that make sense? And then last, fashion and beauty creators. So Black Friday try on hauls, Cyber Monday makeup deals. You can do this across the entire board, right? On anything, y'all. It does not have to be these specific things. So make sure though, when you're doing all of these things, always tag the brands, okay? Include the discount codes and tell your followers where to shop. Tell them what to do. Don't make them look for it. I'm not gonna keep telling y'all that. All right. Section 4, how to monetize strategically. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Now, there are 4 ways that you can really just earn and run up your bag this weekend. Y'all ready? Pen and paper? Okay, let's go. So number 1, affiliate links. Post them things everywhere. Your bio, your stories, the captions, pinned comments. Wherever you can post them, post the affiliate links. People click them and people shop. Literally, I'm learning that as I go. And I've been making some little bank. Number 2 is going to be your sponsored post. Brands love fast turnaround content around this time of year especially. So make sure you can get that thing out 24, 48 hours. Be ready to work. And be ready to get the bag. All right, so number 3 is going to be digital products. Now, offer a sale on your own little ebooks or courses or one-on-one consultations. Sell yourself. You're a business too. Yeah, get your Cyber Monday and Black Friday deals going as well and put them out there. And then number 4, UGC creator content deals. So you're going to be reaching out to brands who may need your content or may need creators for their campaigns and get paid for it. Yeah, pitch yourself. Make sure you had a media kits. We talked about this a long time ago, a couple weeks ago. You should have been had that. I don't know what you're waiting on. So a quick little pro tip for y'all is, even if you do not have a collab, right, tag the brand and use their sale hashtags. Okay, they're gonna notice that. And so by that I mean, like, if, I don't know, NYX tinted sunscreen, because I'm obsessed with that right now. If NYX tinted sunscreen or something like that, or not sunscreen because it's not summer, but NYX foundation or lippies or something like that they may have. Go on their page, figure out what they're using, what hashtags they're using, and what kind of verbiage they're putting in their stuff for the holiday season. Put that in your content. Make sure you tag them. Send it to them. Okay, comment under their post. Send it to them in their messages, message them, invite them to be a collaborator, go all across the board and try to get their attention, right? Don't be annoying about it, but go comment on the 2 or 3 of their most recent posts. If it's something in their story, go hard in and leave a comment. Go DM them. Hey, I would love for you guys to check out this video I made. I absolutely love this product, such such. And then also find an email on them, because we talked about using your social platforms to reach out to brands. Go find an email on them peoples, okay? And then email them your media kit along with that one piece of content that you already made to promote and market them. Okay, don't ask me no more questions. I just put y'all on. Next up is going to be section 5, my final tips and posting strategy. Okay, batch film now, just like I'm doing right now in this moment. I'm batch filming. Okay, so batch film so that you're not editing and trying to film and doing all of that at the same time during the holiday season. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It is iPad been updated. Yeah. So it is. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? It is 9:42 Sunday, October 26th. 9:42 a.m. in the morning. It's a Sunday morning, October 26th. Y'all probably won't see this video till, so yeah, this is gonna come out probably like right before Thanksgiving. But all I'm saying is batch create, okay? Get it done so that you can enjoy your holiday, especially during the holiday season or something big coming up. Batch create, save your time, period. Next thing is schedule your post using Meta later. You can also use, like for YouTube, this is, clearly on YouTube. Use YouTube and schedule your content. Use Meta Business. That's what I use when I'm posting my short form reels for this series. I use Meta Business to schedule my reels to go on my Facebook and my Instagram. TikTok, you can schedule reels, but I think you have to do it on a computer. I'm not positive. I haven't found how to schedule it on the phone if you can. But I know if you go on your TikTok on a computer, you can upload and schedule your content. So for anything like this, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to pay a Later or any of those platforms, because most of the platforms has a scheduling system in there. So Facebook and Instagram, you use Meta Business. For YouTube, use YouTube Studio. And for TikTok, go to TikTok desktop on a computer. So yeah. And then last but not least, you want to make sure you track what is performing the best so that we can make sure that we're taking notes and analyzing what is actually working. And this data is going to help you pitch to other brands for next year. And then you'll be able to do this in an earlier fashion. So I feel like you should really be pitching brands maybe like in the middle of the year for the holiday seasons. Does that make sense? Or at least, in about Q3. I would say once summer kind of wraps up and fall starts to kick in is when you should start reaching out to brands, because you want to get in there early, especially if we're newer creators, with a smaller following or just getting started. All right, y'all. So let's do a recap real quick. Number 1, create pre-sale and post-sale content. Okay. Make a plan. Stop playing. Number 2, use your affiliate links and tag those brands. And then number 3, track your results for future pitches during the holiday season. All right, y'all already know what time it is. We got homework. Yeah. All right. So your homework is to pick 3 Black Friday and Cyber Monday content ideas and schedule them by the end of this weekend. Yeah, scheduling by the end of this weekend. All right. Okay. Now, if this helps, I want y'all to hit like, turn the notification bell on. Make sure you're subscribed because I'm dropping the gems weekly. A little while ago, I did like bum rush a couple pieces of content because I wanted to make sure that these next few pieces of content that I give y'all starting now are going to be geared specifically towards it being the holiday season, the end of the year, how to reboot for the new year, all those things. So last couple of weeks, y'all have been getting 2 videos on Mondays and Wednesdays at 10 a.m. We're back now to our regularly scheduled program every single Monday. Is that accurate? I think so. I think we only doing Mondays for now. But yes, we're back to our Monday at 10 a.m. schedule. Okay, so if this helped you, like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment, subscribe. Hey, like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. All right? Because, yeah, y'all need to be here at 10 a.m. Monday mornings for class. It's in session. Okay? So, yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'll see y'all next Monday in class. Bye.